Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3450. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone. What you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store. So go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Open the app. You need to select search for the printer. Is your printer listed below? I'm going to select no. Searching for the printer. Make sure the printer is switched on. If the printer is not found after a while, tap next. Cannot find the printer, so the printer is not found. Then you select OK. Then it will ask you, does the printer have button like this? Yes. So we'll go to network select button. This is network select button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It will show you mobile phone on the screen. Then release the button. Wait for 2 lines to show. We'll show you Wi-Fi icon and also wait for 2 lines to highlight 2 lines and the wireless network. Then you select yes. Then confirm. Wait for the printer name to appear on the screen. This may take about 3 minutes. So searching for the printer and the printer is found. Set up Wi-Fi for the following printer. Canon IJ0852 TS3450 series. Select OK. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button. Select next. Canon Print. Connect to device. Canon Print will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect device. Then you select connect. Connecting. Connected and is processing. So it's going to search for wireless router where the printer is situated. The printer will be connected to the wireless router SSID. Select yes. Then it will ask you to enter password. I have the password information, so I'm going to put the details. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Then select OK to submit the information. Select OK. Saving the information, communicating with the printer. So it's communicating with the printer. And the printer light is still highlighting. Once the printer is connected, the light will be steady. Communicating with the printer. The printer is connected to wireless network. You can see the Wi-Fi restriction, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. Then close this. This is connected. Close the file. Then it will ask you, do you want to save the following network? Then you select OK. This is the printer TS3450 series online. So the printer is connected. And from this app, you can print document print, photo print, scan, smartphone copy, copy document, cloud, creative pack, create photo item. Now I want us to print documents. So go to document print, then select documents. Then scroll down to select particular document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is the document I want us to print out. Then you select next. Select change settings. Select number of copies. The size A4 paper, same as original. Media type plain paper, and want to print it in color. Duplex, simplex. Then go back and select print. This is the document we printed out, and it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. You can go back to the home page. Then you can go back to the home page. If you look on the printer is online and also connected to a wireless network. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone. Thank you very much indeed.